Hello and welcome to How to Master It, your reliable source for all tech-related tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our latest guides. Today, we're going to look at a useful feature in Excel, removing duplicates. This can be handy when you're dealing with large data sets. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet and select the range of cells from which you want to remove duplicates. If you want to remove duplicates from the whole spreadsheet, you can press Ctrl+A to select all. Step 2. Go to the Data tab in the top menu. Step 3. In the Data Tools group, you'll find the Remove Duplicates button. Click on it. Step 4. A dialog box will pop up. Here, you can select which columns you want Excel to remove duplicates from. If your data has headers and you've selected them, make sure to check the My Data Has Headers box. Step 5. After choosing your desired columns, click OK. Excel will then remove the duplicates from your selected columns and a dialog box will tell you how many duplicates were removed and how many unique values remain. And there you have it. You've successfully removed duplicates in Excel, making your data more accurate and easier to analyze. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Master It for more efficient and easy to follow tech guides. Catch you in the next video.